Good morning, Chair Moore and members of the committee. Thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today. My name is Aiden Skass, and I serve as Policy Manager at Chamber of Progress. I'm here today to respectfully express our opposition to H 3405. Chamber of Progress is a tech industry coalition advocating for a progressive, inclusive future for technology with partners like Apple and Google. However, they do not have a vote on our policy positions or statements. First, I do want to extend my deepest condolences to Representative Guffey and his family, and do deeply respect the efforts that are being made here today. Chamber of Progress shares the goal of creating a safer internet for young people. Protecting kids online is a responsibility that we all share and takes all of us working together. We appreciate the intent behind this bill, but we are deeply concerned about how it impacts South Carolinians' free speech rights and privacy. Our key concern with H 3405 is the age verification requirement, which forces companies to collect more personal data. Many adults reasonably don't want to share sensitive information, forcing them to choose between privacy and full access to the devices or services that they paid for. Collecting more data also increases cybersecurity risks, making platforms bigger targets for cyber attacks. There are safer, more effective ways to create secure online spaces without compromising privacy. Secondly, courts have consistently struck down age verification laws for broadly restricting access to constitutionally protected speech. The First Amendment protects both the right to speak and access to information, and any law limiting the access must be narrowly tailored to serve a compelling government interest. The age verification and parental consent requirements in H 3405 are likely to face significant legal challenges. Some testifiers have already pointed to this, but courts in Utah, Mississippi, Arkansas, Ohio, and other states, as well as the Supreme Court, have emphasized that regulations impacting social media platforms' editorial and curatorial functions are subject to strict constitutional scrutiny. In the past month, federal judges in Arkansas and Ohio have struck down laws that require age verification and parental consent, as these laws conflict with First Amendment rights. In his ruling permanently blocking Arkansas's 2023 age verification law, District Judge Timothy Brooks stated that if the legislature's goal in passing Act 689 was to protect minors from materials or interactions that could harm them online, there's no evidence that the act will be effective in achieving that goal. Courts have ruled that age verification violates the First Amendment, whether on the device, app store, or platform level, and H 3405 likely shares the same fate. The parental consent requirement for downloading apps could also inadvertently block access to critical resources for vulnerable youth, including those facing abuse. For many, apps are lifelines that help them escape dangerous situations. While we support making online spaces safer for young people, this bill is unlikely to protect kids meaningfully and will likely result in costly legal battles burdening South Carolina taxpayers. We urge the legislature to pursue constitutionally sound solutions that protect privacy and respectfully oppose H 3405. I will add that I'm happy to follow up in email with any information with these specific court cases, and thank you for your time.